And we're going to retake some of this video showing you at the top. We fixed our hose connection, button it up tight like it will be so it rotates 360 without any interference, as in the other video clip. It's continuous rotation for the customer. And again, these slide right into each other very easily. Again, we'll do 6 of them for you. Once the operator uses this for a little while, they'll get used to the alignment visually off either side, the left or right of the manipulator. See how it lines up with the edge on the totes. We have full range to go all the way up with those hoses that we have on it. And if you guys need Clay to go out and demonstrate for you, I don't know if they want to make a road trip, but just kidding. If you need our services out there, just let us know. Also, the tagline kits you have, we're going to try to accommodate some brackets for that to attach the coiled air lines, and then we'll have some pigtails to attach coil to coil from runway to bridge, and then a pigtail for attaching the plant air to your runway. And again, that one stacks that way. So we'll do a couple more for you. Rotation can be sped up or slowed down. It can be adjusted once they arrive to suit the customer's needs. We're going to have a guard over the most part of the clamp arm, and of course a cover over the other mechanism part of it. Clay's become an expert at this. And there you have it. Let us know if you need anything else. Alright, today we're going to be lifting the large totes, and we have the hoses in place that need to be there. Everything's buttoned up. The internal air lines are buttoned up. Covers are made to go on it. And we have loose dog food in it today, so when it pours out, it'll gradually pour out instead of dumping the full load. With air balancer, if you were to dump the full load at once immediately, the air balancer itself will rise up with you. So it's best to pour the food out as you will be doing at the plant. Alright, so now we're going to clamp, engage, and we have it turned so we're up those 2 tabs, and our notches fit 2 tabs like that. So back out of here. And today we had the brackets at the top so we can turn 360 swivel, as you see right there. And we're going to pour this into one of your other containers, and it's kind of messy, but that's what our broom is for. And we have the speed slowed down quite a bit on that, which we can adjust that speed. And speed adjustments will be under the cover, so the operators can adjust the speed once you have it set. Of course, the operator can place the empty back on the empty stack. Alright, we're getting ready to dump the greenies one more time for you. Liner's pulled down fairly tight around the outside. and they are clumped together pretty well. And there you go. That's fresh liner, and pull down around the edge a little bit. Okay, we have the up-down buttons and the clamp and unclamp buttons. With these air balancers, you have to lightly feather the up and down buttons to go up and down. We have the speed control set pretty slow, but still feather it. Don't press it like a air hoist or electric hoist. On this side, we'll have either a left or right dump and a return button on this side. Left or right dump and return. And come around to the front, we have everything labeled. We wrote everything by hand down here on the assembled unit, so decals won't come off anywhere. We have the warning label with a pinch point cover on it. And we felt like this cover would be the most efficient and everything for the operator to still visually see what he's trying to clamp. And up to the hook. All that. We'll have the handlebars rolled back. Everything wrapped in plastic, and you'll just have to unwrap it and roll the handlebars back to the position that you want. The plant air coming in here on this line, going to the fitting and the middle of the carriage, comes through on this clear tube to the balancer, and main air comes in there. So for any maintenance, you can unplug this and then come back up, remove that bracket, and there's a universal swivel there with the clear hose attached to it. We bring these hoses down from the balancer to the rail, to this bracket, and they run down the back side of the rail.